It's a puzzle game, let's do it.
This project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Holy cannoli! Oh no! You're gonna get me! What should I do? Maybe I could hide in here? Or here? Oh.
Sammy, who are you hiding from?
Sue, aren't you afraid of them?
Who?
Aliens! They can come here at any moment!
Who said that?
I learned it from a very verified source. I saw it in the X-Files.
But aliens can also be kind.
And I haven't meant good ones.
Then it's time to make a new friend. Let's go! Hi guys! Today we'll have an unusual meeting.
So, where is your kind alien? Seems like he won't show up.
Wait, stay here for a little longer.
Oh, something is getting closer. It is growing. Aliens! Aliens in the house! Save your lives!
Hi, Sammy, come back! This is our alien friend. Come here and greet her.
Hi. My name is Sam. And you're not so scary as it seemed from afar.
Guys, check out how cute she is! This is baby Bowie Beamheart, and she arrived from Goo Goo Galaxy, far, far away.
Wow, she brought lots of stuff on her spaceship. Seems like she'll stay for long.
What are you saying? Ah, she's hungry! And we need to refill her Star Goo stock.
Easy peasy. What do you prefer, chocolate cookies or marshmallows?
Luckily, your stash will stay untouched. Bowie Beamheart brought everything with her.
It's even better. I'll have more yummies then. And what did she bring?
Ingredients and some tools to mix them. Let's see. Fill and squish Star Goo out of her. It's gonna be so fun!
So what are we waiting for? Let's take her out and feed her until she's full.
First let's greet her properly. Bowie Beamheart from Goo Goo Galaxy. We'll set her free from the box. Be careful with scissors, guys. Yay! She's so pretty! Check out her big shiny eyes.
Oh my, she has a translucent belly. We can see how much Star Goo she ate. Now it's empty.
Don't worry, we'll feed her properly very soon. Oh, check our little horns!
They look like rainbows in clouds. Are there any rainbows where she lives?
Oh, look! She has rainbows on her face, too! It seems like her planet is very colorful and picturesque.
I'd like to visit her home planet someday. Will she show us where she came from?
She's so squishy! I can't stop myself. Sammy tried to find out maybe she brought something like,
Something like an intergalactic passport. Check this out. I found it in her spaceship. All secrets will be revealed.
A passport is essential during space flights. Let's peek inside. Whoa, this is a lot! Up first, we shall find out where our guest is from. Got it! Greetings from Goopiter. Squish upon a star, a short message from her home planet.
I've never had a friend from another galaxy. Shall we be pen pals then?
By the way, it says that on Goopiter, every day starts with double rainbows in the sky. I think that's beautiful.
Shoo, that's where her horns come from. It's a double rainbow, like in the sky of her home planet.
You're right, Sammy. Oh, there's so much interesting stuff. It even contains the instructions on how to make Star Goo.
Let's do it later, Shoo. Bowie Beamheart once said check out our house. Can we go for a home tour?
Hey, it seems like that's your idea, Sammy, and you just want to brag about your candy stocks.
Huh? Who? Me? Never. Sam never does such a thing.
Guys, don't go anywhere. We'll come back in a second. That was an excellent tour, Sammy. You know a lot about our house.
Seems like Bowie Beamheart cheered up. She definitely likes being here. What shall we do next?
Let's check out what else she brought to Earth. So...
I still don't know what it is, but it's pink and I like it.
It's a whisk. It's so unusual, and it seems like it has a tiny planet on one end. Maybe it's Goopiter?
Yeah, I found a whisk in our kitchen. Check this out, it's your intergalactic twin.
And this is a bowl to make star goo. How many portions can we make here?
Let's check it out. There's a lot of space, but maybe our guest eats a lot? I don't know.
Judging by her empty belly, she's very hungry. We might need to cook several times.
Oh, this is cool. I've never made star goo. I can master my cooking skills.
And I can't take my eyes off this bowl. I really like its color.
So give it a rest. Check out this stand that helps her sit comfortably.
You're right, Sammy. Now let's put her here like this.
She likes it. Hail the great Tippy Double. Oh, she's asking to get her rejuvenator. What's that?
Sammy, you became a pro in goo language, and her rejuvenator is this.
Wow, it's pretty, but shoo, it looks like a simple syringe.
We'll need the rejuvenator to feed our Bowie beam heart. We'll give her star goo using it. Like this. See, it even has a star on it. Sammy, why are you so quiet? Oh, that's what that is.
Chill, leave me alone. I've never tried a comet pacifier.
Whoa, I've never seen anything like this. What an unusual shape. You can play with it for a while, but don't forget to give it back.
Thanks, Shoo. I got it. Got it.
Oh, poor thing, you're so hungry. Now we begin to make star goo. First, let's fill the bowl with water. That's easy.
Shoo, I brought half a glass, but I'm not sure it's enough.
Everything's taken care of. Here's a thin borderline. We'll pour water up to it. That's not enough. Sammy, can you bring more, please?
I got it.
Ooh, don't rush, Sammy. You might fall. Be careful.
Sorry, I'm just so excited. All we need is water, right?
Of course not. We need special ingredients from Goopiter.
It seems like I found what we need. Will we be able to use it in our kitchen then?
I'm afraid it's not so edible for us, Sammy. We're from another galaxy, you know.
Shoo, I'm an independent slime and I can eat whatever I want.
Oh, how could I forget? Now let's mix it with the whisk and see what'll happen. Whoa, it's so slimy! That's what the residents of Goopiter eat.
Shoo, check this out. We can add it and make the most sparkling star goo.
Whoa, there's glitter of different sizes and colors. Of course, let's try it. But first, we'll add some pink. No, we'll add a pink. And one pinch of shining stars. Now we'll mix everything properly and quickly.
There, I sealed it with our special sticker. Cool, huh?
Great idea, Sammy. Star goo's almost ready. Bring that comet back.
Oh, I should figure out where I put it. Oh.
Sammy, don't say that you lost it.
Okay, I won't say it. Be right back. Shoo! I found it! But it wasn't that easy.
Now we need to rejuvenate it, and what do we need? Ba-da-ba-da! Rejuvenator!
Holy cannoli, finally! I'll see how this thing works.
Well, at first we'll fill the rejuvenator with star goo, and then feed Bowie Beamheart.
So since she is ready for dinner, I guess.
Right you are, Sammy. Let's test it. Check out how much star goo I got.
Oh, check this out! Her belly is filling!
Seems like it's tasty. Look, she likes it. Yay!
And she has lots of space inside. Let's go Sue feed her again.
Guys, she ate the whole bowl of star goo. It's a great success. Now we'll give her the comet pacifier like this. She looks so adorable with it. And let's start squishing. Check out what's going on inside.
Wow, the slime is moving. It's an intergalactic miracle.
And what if we remove the pacifier and squeeze her? Let's see. Wow, Sammy, look, she has real intergalactic spit.
Does this mean she didn't like the star goo we made? Hey, try it again.
Don't worry, Sammy. We have ingredients for the second try. Shall we do it right now?
Sure, let's try it, but this time we'll do everything differently.
Okay, as you wish. First goes water again. No mistakes here.
Now let's add a special ingredient. Done.
Then mix everything properly. What are you doing, Sammy?
This time I'll mix it. Sue, we need to do it in a special way.
Okay, let's give it a try. Start to mix and I'll watch and learn from the chef.
So, 3 stirrings clockwise, 2 stirrings counterclockwise, again 5 times clockwise.
Sam looks like a wizard with a cauldron full of potion. He's so focused.
Okay, seems like that's it, Sue. Check it out. Did I mix it well or not?
This time it definitely looks much better. You did great, Sam.
I worked so hard. I'm sweating.
That's right. Look at yourself. Just the last ingredient is missing. What topping should we choose this time? What do you think?
I think we should add everything little by little. Maybe she wanted more sparkles. Who knows what they eat on that Goopiter?
Well, let's use our imagination then.
And more of this one. More and more.
This time it looks a lot more shiny and glittery.
That's even better, Sue. Don't forget to mix it a couple of times clockwise.
Done. And now let's take our rejuvenator and fill it with the new star goo.
Guys, wish us luck. On your marks. Get set. Go!
This time our appetite's not bad at all. Check this out, she ate the whole bowl again.
Sue, let's try and make her comet spit.
1, 2, 3, go.
Oh, she spit it out again. Maybe this is her sign that the food was great.
Maybe you're right. At least she looks happy.
Hooray! We fed our guest. The challenge is accomplished.
Nice job, Bowie Beamheart. Welcome to the Earth.
I'll bathe in star goo and become a cosmic slime. Hey, that's not fair.
Sammy, you can't play with alien food.
Maybe I rejuvenated and became an alien. I'm leaving for Goo Goo Galaxy.
So, you're not afraid of aliens anymore?
Nope. Guys, did you like our Goo Goo guest? Give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.
And tell your friends about the good and kind aliens.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hello, my friends. Now, what do elephants watch in the evening? They watch television. Ha! And that reminds me of today's fantastic elephant make. You will need a paper bag, a pen, some paper and card, circle-shaped stickers, and a glue stick. First, fold a large piece of card in half and carefully cut a wiggly shape like this. Rounding off the corners to create elephant ears. Glue these to the back of the paper bag like this. Then use lots of paper and card shapes for the elephant's mouth, tusks, trunk and feet. Fold the trunk shape over on itself, back and forth, like this. Now stick everything onto your elephant. Add stickers for eyes and add extra detail with a pen. Once you've added a big elephant smile, you're done. Elephantastic! Circle, triangle, square and rectangle. 4 of my bestest buddies. And now you can create your very own tip-top shapes pencil toppers. You will need gloopy glue, air drying clay, some paint, googly eyes, a pen, a pencil and a lolly stick. You can make any of the shapes you like, but I'm going to show you how to make our friend square. First, take a ball of air drying clay and use your hands to push it down and flatten it. Then use a lollipop stick and cut into the clay to make the straight edges of your shape. Now take a pencil and very carefully push it into the bottom of the shape. Then remove it. Let it dry, and once it's dry, paint your shape any colour you like. This one is blue because I'm making square. Draw on a smile. Stick on 2 googly eyes. And pop your pencil back in. It's ready! A totally top pencil topper.
I'm a shape.